What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jackson. Take a look at Gala. It moved up to our target zone. We're sitting at 0.035. We're up 7% on the day. Market cap 1.3 billion. Wow, we passed $1 billion market cap. Amazing. 24-hour volume 954 million. Where are the Gala haters at now? So we pushed into our target zone, and now we're seeing a little bit of pullback. The Bitcoin dominance. Do I still have it open here? Oh, let me open it quickly. Yeah, so we pushed up into that resistance zone. So there's two scenarios. We could be looking at, an overextended wave 5, just like this. And now that would complete the wave 1, and you would see a larger wave 2 pullback. Or the previous scenario, where this was the first leading diagonal into 1, we pull back into 2, and now you're looking to push up into 3. So if we fail to break 0.042, which is the min target for a wave 3, and we start to see a deeper pullback, that means that this was the top of the 1, and now you're going to pull back in a wave 2 before continuation to the upside. But if we simply push up from here, start to break these resistance levels and head towards 161.8 fib level at 0.05, that means that this was a 1, this was a shallow 2, and now you're pushing up 1, 2, 3, 4. You will continue up in the wave 5. It is a possibility, but it really depends. If we fail to break that level, you start to see a deeper pullback, especially if we come all the way back down to retest 0.031, then you're going through a wave 2 before continuation. If we look on the daily chart, we actually almost hit our target. We are pushing up. We did push up into that resistance zone. So there is potential for a pullback from here, basically come back down and retest these levels of support right here before continuation back to the upside. We'll have to see how that plays out, but beautiful to see Gala seeing some life and pushing right up into that resistance zone. So we'll see if we end up seeing a deeper pullback. And let me look at the Bitcoin dominance quickly here. A little bit slow. And come back all the way down to all the way to retest the bullish level at 0.031. Then I think it's likely you're going to see a wave 2 pullback before continuation. We'll have to see how this daily candle closes, because if it closes just like this, that means the bulls are losing strength, the bears are creating a topping tail, and you're going to see a pullback. So look to see how that daily candle closes for more evidence if we're going to see that wave 2 pullback. But if we just continue to push up, the volume steps in. Let me open up the Bitcoin dominance, because as we can see, the altcoins are pulling back, which means that Bitcoin dominance is likely seeing a bounce. Yeah, exactly. So if Bitcoin dominance were to continue to push up, maybe we're going to come up and retest that resistance. Then money's flowing back into Bitcoin, and we'll see a pullback in the alts. So let's see how it plays out. We're in 3 trades right now. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world. One of the few exchanges you can trade futures in North America. Up to $5,500 in bonuses when you sign up through my link. You get 10% back on every single one of your fees. All you have to do is sign up. It takes 30 seconds of your time. Send me an email. I'll give you completely free access to my VIP rooms, to my entire Discord, which includes my daily crypto analysis for all your favorite projects, my exact crypto trade setups. We're in a trade for Polygon, Ethereum, and Turbo, my Forex trade signals, and one of our members is posting trade signals in here all day long. Completely free access with a sign up to BITUNIX. Takes 30 seconds of your time. Send me an email. I'll give you free access. Smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.